Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by ensuring Windows itself is ready. Check your settings system about to confirm you're on a recent Windows 11 build. Once done, back up any open work so updates don't interrupt you. Now open Settings, go to Windows Update and click Check for Updates, install recommended patches, and reboot when prompted. This is necessary because the new Task Manager is gated behind modern builds and store-delivered updates, so updating first prevents compatibility problems and simplifies the rest of the process. Once your system is updated, open the Microsoft Store, search for Task Manager Preview or the updated Task Manager listing. Sign into your Microsoft account. If prompted, store downloads often require a signed-in profile to deliver preview apps. Click Install or Update, grant any permissions, and wait for the download to finish. Make sure to restart the PC if the store suggests it. This installs the modernized Task Manager package separate from the legacy binary, giving you the new interface without complicated registry hacks. Finish by launching Task Manager with Ctrl+Shift+S or from start. You should see the refreshed layout and new features. If you still see the legacy Task Manager, open Microsoft Store Library and check for pending updates or uninstall, then reinstall the preview app. If problems persist, run the Windows Update troubleshooter, sign out and back into the Microsoft Store, and reboot. These steps resolve most delivery or permission issues because the modern Task Manager is delivered via Store and relies on matching OS build and account state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.